They look beautiful though, right? For frozen salmon fillets in North Dakota. I thought they looked really nice.
And what are we doing today, Steve?
We are doing the herb crusted.
Herb.
That's good. We'll take it, man. Yeah.
All right, we're doing the herb crusted salmon.
Perfect. Let's get after it.
Let's do it.
I'm looking.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna take the salmon and get it into the oven. We've been preheating it at 425. So we'll place the fillets on our grill pan and we will do that skin side down. And then we're gonna put those in the oven for
about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to see the juices will
Run initially kind of white, and then they'll kind of run clear at the end when the salmon is fully cooked. It depends on how you like your salmon prepared. You can do it a little medium if you prefer that, or medium rare. So we'll cook that for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, do you want to make the sauce?
Yes. The herb crust that we're going to put on the salmon, once it's partially cooked, is going to consist of Parmesan cheese. And we're going to do 3 tablespoons of that. We're going to do a tablespoon of parsley, a half a teaspoon of thyme, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then we're going to do a couple cloves of garlic. And we're going to mince those into the mixture. So we'll get that mixed up, and you can see that that's a nice consistency for putting on top of the salmon when they're ready to do their final cook. So it's been 10 minutes with the salmon, so I think we're going to pull that out of the oven and put the herb crust on it.
That's beautiful.
So remember the Parmesan, the garlic, the herbs, lemon juice. We're going to cover each fillet with that. Then we're going to take that and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes and let that cheese melt and form that crust on the top.